Meaning of effusion.
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 Effusion. Effusion refers to the process of something flowing out of a confined space or container. The result of effusion can vary depending on the substance involved, but generally it will disperse into the surrounding environment. For example, if a gas is released from a pressurized container, it will effuse outwards and gradually mix with the air in the surrounding area. This can lead to changes in the composition or behavior of the air, particularly if the effused substance has unique properties or characteristics.